Hello everyone, welcome to LevelUp IAS, our GS Foundation program for Civil Services Examination 2025 is starting on 22nd April 2024. Now, we want all of you to experience it. We want all of you to understand how the teaching happens at LevelUp IAS. So, what we're doing is we are providing free access for 10 days for every student. In the description of this video, there's a form given. You fill that form, give your details. Our team will provide you links to all the classes, not only classes. For the first 4 days, we'll have polity class. Then for 3 days, we'll have ancient India class. First 4 classes will be by Babu sir. Next 3 classes will be by Vishal sir. You'll have access to these classes plus some more classes, but you'll also be able to experience our test. So on 28th, you'll have your first test in our GS Foundation program. Every week you have 2 tests, one objective test, one answer writing test. So you'll be able to attend classes, you'll be able to get these tests, you'll also be able to interact with some of our toppers, you'll also be able to interact with some of our mentors. So what you are going to get over the next 1 year of your preparation, in these 10 days, you can have a preliminary investigation of that, or you can have a preliminary understanding of that. So just fill in the form given in the description, and we will provide you 10 days of free access to LevelUp IAS GS Foundation program. Thank you very much.